So this is Taste and Travel with Jacie, and this is where we give you a different areas of the food we try out, and also travel with you, sharing our experiences, our highlights, our low moments, and reviews of the different places we visit. If this is the kind of content that you like, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my haul of what I am going to wear for my next travel. I'm not going to tell you where I will be going. Keep it here so that you experience this travel with me. I'll share the highs and the lows of everything we encountered during this travel, and I look forward to you avoiding the challenges I will encounter and learning from my own experience. Let's get to the video, please. And today I went shopping. Yeah, I'm ready for my next travel, and I went shopping, and this time I want to share with you some of the things that I got, and I must say I got some nice deals, and some I will wear, some I will show you, because some are not for public wear but beach wear. Yeah, so the first thing I got was this suitcase. I want you to rate the items that I got. So this is a suitcase I got. How much would you pay for this suitcase? It looks like that, and as you can see, it's so pretty. I love the color. Rule number one of shopping for a suitcase is you should not buy a black one, because almost everybody will have a black one. So get yours slightly different so that it's easy to identify, especially when you're flying, so that when they're being rolled up, you'll see your suitcase and identify it from a distance. So that's actually tip number one for planning for your travel. You can see it has spaces. Usually they have these hiding spots here. You can put some stuff here that you don't want everybody to see, and you lock them there. Then you organize your clothes here, and you cover and close. One thing I love about this suitcase, it has some other compartments like this one. You can put your stuff there, and this one. Now I don't need this one anymore. Okay, and then it has this part also. It has a hidden space, like when I'm traveling. This is where I put my laptop actually, and other personal items. Okay, for this travel I don't think I'll be using that space. I'm not sure, but I'll see. I'll pack with you, so don't worry. Okay, so that's how my suitcase looks like. And then one thing I love about this suitcase, this is not a new suitcase, this is ex-UK. Okay, so one thing I love about the suitcase, you can lock here, and then you have your items safe. If you're not certain as to how to use that part, you can come here and lock here. Okay, you can see it has two spaces for your locking, so your stuff will definitely be safe. The reason I bought this is because I have a small size and a medium size, and sometimes a big size, so I needed a medium. And for this travel I don't want to carry a big suitcase. And for those who have, and I'm usually a person who goes all out when it comes to travel stuff. I carry like 2 clothes, and I come back with 3/4 not used and only quarter has been used, but I'd rather carry them and not struggle during my vacation. Okay, so I'll show you what I cannot wear for the video. So this is a short or a biker short that I can wear to the swimming pool or to the beach. I got this, I got this, and I got this, and this I can wear them also for the gym. So I'm so excited about having them. I didn't fit them, but I'm not going to fit them on camera. Okay, then I got myself this sweater. We have a customer service week themed students. I want to figure out how to match it. I don't have an idea yet, but I'll figure out. So everything else here I can fit, so I'm going to fit and show you. So here is my first look. It's a white shop. It's a white short and a flowered top. Remember, you can even style it, and the white short can go with any other color, but for me, for now, I'll make do. If I change, I'll show you in a subsequent video. You can be rating the outfits as we progress. How is that? Number 2 is a black short and a colored top. Like I said, I can always style them up. This is this. I might have to do a shorter top for this one so that it stops budging. Yeah, but this is how it looks. Yeah, you can rate them. The next outfit is this one. I'm not sure I will definitely match them this way, but if I don't, I'll show you the final outcome. I actually don't do hauls, but this time I'm excited to do it so that I can see. Yeah, so if there are changes you can recommend, perhaps maybe this video will go up after I have traveled and come back, but you can give me feedback for future dress up for the beach, for future dress up for my holiday. The next look is this one. I've decided to do the red and this top. I don't know, I feel like these tops are good for trousers but not for shorts, so I'll look for a way to style them up. Yeah, if you have styling ideas, let me know. Yeah, so that's one, and I'm struggling to get a matching for this one, so I'll just wear it and show you with this top as I figure out what I will match it with. If I don't get anything at all, I'll just get a white top. The next look is this one. Like I said, I don't know what to match this short with, because you can see this top is quite big, and then I feel like it's off, and then it's too long, so this will only be worn with a jegging, not a short. It's out of place for a short. I'm sure you agree with me. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Yes. The next look is this one. As you can see, it's girlish, easy peasy, and this is actually very nice for people who don't wear trousers. You can get yourself some such dresses. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section what you think. For those people who are not able to wear shorts, if this is something you can consider. I've actually noted it has like a small pocket and another pocket, you know, like the way jeans have pockets for money and general pocket, and then I also have these two pockets and the back pockets. I don't know. Although I'm wondering, is this supposed to be here or is it supposed to be up? Is it supposed to be for another size? But for purposes of this travel, I'm going to make do with this one the way it is. The last fit is this one, which as you can see is a dungaree, but I need a crop top for it because if I wear an ordinary top it will be budging inside. Yeah, so that's another one that I like. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, or what you think, or what touch I can give better. I'm an easy peasy person, so when you're suggesting, please be conscious about a minimalist who is just simple. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Before you start packing, you need to ensure that everything that you're traveling with fits, and that's why I did a fit test. So see you on the next video as we plan for this travel with you. Of course, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload.